Robert, my venues has not had the chance to talk to anybody from Kent's Hill in the past. I think many of us know that it's one of the biggest venues in the country in terms of residential capacity, but perhaps you'd like to tell us a bit more about it as a training and conference venue.
Certainly, Michael. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Kent's Hill Park fundamentally is a purpose-built facility set just outside of Milton Keynes, with over 70 meeting rooms, 330 bedrooms. And it really is a purpose-built facility that's designed to train and develop like-minded people. Has two substantial global brand names behind it, that being Essentia and the Compass Group from the hospitality point of view. So it really is quite a unique formula of being a purpose-built venue and having those two global brands as a driving force behind.
Your specialisation, I think it's true to say, is very much training. Okay, do you have any other specific facilities for training? Do you offer team building opportunities?
Absolutely, yeah. Fundamentally in the UK, there are a lot of venues that deliver tangibly pretty much the same thing. What we're trying to do at Kent's Hill is to create a much more bespoke package, actually focusing on the intangible, so very much looking at team building, but also helping companies actually design their training courses rather than just being seen as somewhere that provides four walls, seats and chairs as so many others do. So we're looking at lots of different innovative approaches really to capitalising, making the very best use of companies' time when they're on site at Kent's Hill.
Is this an innovation or something you've been doing for some time?
It's a fairly recent innovation. We've partnered up with two team building companies, both with very different specialities, and really arranging within our packages, as I say, not just to deliver what's usually seen in the industry as a package rate for a conference delegate, but a whole team building experience too. It's really about creating the right culture and the right atmosphere for a fantastic learning environment.
Do you have outside facilities, I mean, in terms of grounds for team building activities?
We do. We're set on many acres of land, and we have courtyards and various landscaped areas and various void areas that can be used for any type of team building.
Now, let's look a little bit into the future. Any plans for development of your facilities or services?
Yes, certainly. We've recently just had quite a major refurbishment development of the public areas, the restaurant, the reception areas, and we're phasing that refurbishment right the way through the business to look at a slightly different market, and by no means to contradict our core values of delivering a conference centre. We are actually going to launch into the very busy corporate transient market within Milton Keynes. So that's quite an exciting development that's
as you say, in your particular region, quite a fertile market, I should think.
It certainly is, yes, and it's really just to bridge the natural peaks and troughs of conference and group-related business. Well, as I say, fundamentally, it is about management training and management development, and it's about providing the right atmosphere and right culture.
Now you're here on the Conference Centre of Excellence stand at Confex. You've been a long-established member of the group. What does it bring to Kent's Hill Park?
We have CCE is very much about bringing like-minded companies, like-minded venues together. And it's about being able to share best practice. It's about being able to refer business between our partners within the group. It's about being able to brainstorm in terms of what's our competition doing out there, and really what's the business customer looking for now, and how can we be very different in our approach. So they always say that two heads are better than one. Well, with CCE we have many heads
40, yes.
to contribute to the end journey.
Thanks very much indeed, Rob.
Thank you very much, Mike.